Hey awesome ones, so I just got a shipment of new fashions in, and you know what that means? Well, that means that I'm mixing and matching the old with the new, and I actually came up with 5 outfits, for the warmer weather. And actually, let me just show you this one here. I've worn this a few times and it's a great look. It's great for shopping or going to an outdoor craft fair, or maybe it's a festival. And well, I have a full-length look for you to take a look at. Let's see what it looks like. So do you remember my long black tube dress? I've worn it a few times in videos, and well, I liked it so much I bought it in polka dots. And since I like to shop, at outdoor events like craft festivals, I decided to put my regular small purse in a red tote so I can buy a few things. And also I added a pair of comfy red slingbacks. It's great to work a splash of color to an outfit, and red is always a great choice. Now, if I wanted to hide the tops of my arms, I could always add a crochet shrug. Now for my next outfit, I know that wide leg pants are really trending, but I wanted to take my time in picking out a pair because I wanted them to be stretchy and also more like a yoga pant, and I absolutely love these ones. I bought them in black and I also bought them in white, and I'd like to know in the comments what you think about them. Let's take a look. So what do you think? They are not tight, so they are easy breezy, and they even have pockets. They're also a pull-on with a wide waistband to kind of hide my tummy and bring it in a little bit. And I also had to wear my new animal print Crocs and also my new cotton and linen shirt. It's perfect for hot weather, and I just put a lightweight cami underneath. And to top it all off, I've got a Panama hat and sunglasses, and I can go almost anywhere with this look. And by the way, most of my outfit pieces will be underneath the video description and also in the comments. Now, with a camisole, a lot of the times we want to wear a bandeau bra. And I've showed you bandeau bras before, but some of you were saying that, the bandeau bras that are out, they don't have a lot of support for the girl. So I went on a hunt to find a great one. And here it is. It's padded, and also, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a silicone feature that goes all the way around the bra, and also the bottom of it is it's just very supportive. And the other feature that this bra has is, I don't know if you can see these also, but it has the clear straps. So if you needed a little bit of extra support, it has that. So I found it for you, and I hope you like it. I've been wearing it quite a bit. It's fantastic. And of course, we need a bra like that for whenever we're wearing spaghetti straps, with camisoles, or maybe it's on a dress, or maybe you have an off-the-shoulder look. But my next outfit that I want to show you, it's kind of a very simple grab and go. Let's take a look. Now, I am loving my new stretchy and packable white pants. I wore my skin tone strappy kitten heels and a simple crisscross top. I also got this new fun purse that I wear all summer because it's small and it's got such a cool creative design. It will go with about everything, and I just put on my sunglasses and I can be dressed in a couple of minutes. A perfect grab and go combo. Now let me show you those pants in a close-up because they're fabulous. As you can see, they're pull-on, they've got the faux fly, and they're super stretchy. Also, you notice that they don't wrinkle the same way that cotton would wrinkle, so they're very packable. And like I said, they're the perfect length, and well, they're the perfect length for me because I bought them in tall. but they're also available in regular lengths and also short as well. And I wanted to just show you something else. You know this crisscross top that I'm wearing? I loved it so much, I bought it in red, and I bought it in white, and I also bought it in black. So let's take a look at my next outfit, and the next outfit is another outfit for one of those hot days. First, I'm wearing a white skirt, which is a skirt with built-in shorts, and I love the longer length with this one from Belief. I'm also just wearing a white camisole underneath, but of course the showstopper is this beach cover-up kimono, which is much too pretty to just wear over a swimsuit. The straw bag, straw hat, Ray-Bans, and Keds sneakers complete the look. It's comfy, cool, and stylish. And I have more fashion and makeup and self-care items coming in every week, so I would love for you to join me here. All you have to do is click on the subscribe button, I think it's down there somewhere, and join our community. And by the way, just a reminder that every Wednesday I'm live on Amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And there I talk about the newest fashions I have, and also housewares. We get into recipes and makeup, all kinds of different things. So also the replays of all the recent lives that I did, I think there's about 40 of them now. They're all there too at Amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. But let's get into my next outfit. And in the next outfit, I really, summer's all about fun and having a good time. And what I wanted to show you is something that you could wear and have a youthful spirit. And the t-shirt in this next outfit was designed by myself and my graphic artist daughter. So isn't this fun? Wear this to a wine tasting event, maybe a patio dinner, a vacation, or anywhere that you want to feel youthful and have a good time. I added the easy breezy polka dot skirt and strappy black sandals so you can feel dressed up a bit. The Ray-Bans are also edgy and they complete the look. And just one little point about the t-shirt, I find it's good to go up a size. I am so excited when my deliveries come in because I just can't wait to show you what I got. And I just wrote recently in a social post about feeling like a goddess. A lot of women, when they're young, they're like fearing growing old, and then when they're older, they just don't like being older. And I just think that we're all goddesses. And I just want to read something to you because I did write this in the post. And what I said about becoming a goddess: she is eternal and youthful. She can turn ahead with her style. She knows her own self-care protection, and she is a beacon of light, and she shines her gifts. And what I thought when I wrote that is we are all becoming goddesses. We're all just in the process, and we just get better all the time. And what I would love you to do is just join me on this and share your gifts with others, young and old, and of course, keep it awesome.